guys, Meredith with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we are checking out this APB 4-piston front big brake kit with 14-inch slotted rotors, a brake booster, and red calipers fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers, excluding the Rubicon 392. Now, if you have noticed that your braking performance has not been up to par and it's taking your Wrangler longer to slow down because of added weight of gear, armor, larger tires, or all of the above, this kit is going to be a great choice to consider. Now, this will offer your Wrangler a big boost in stopping performance, not only from the pads, rotors, and calipers, but also an upgrade in the booster for more responsive braking. Now, that's going to be great for whatever heavy-duty scenarios that you're taking on, whether you're doing some higher speed off-road driving or racing, any towing with your Wrangler, or your build is outfitted to the brim and the factory system just can't keep up. Now, this will feature a front pair of pads. You're actually going to get two in the kit, one pre-installed in the calipers and one on the side for a replacement once you go through the first set. You're also going to get a brake booster and replacement rotors. Now, the calipers will be probably the most eye-catching out of this kit with the bright red paint, but will also be one of the components that offers this kit a huge improvement over factory with a 4-piston construction, doubling the amount of the OE1 for improved pad pressure. Now, speaking of the pads, they are also going to be a lot larger than the factory ones, which will increase that surface area for a larger contact patch, resulting in increased friction to slow down your JL faster. They'll also be off the shelf, very easily accessible, and easily interchangeable pads, so you're not going to have to question when it comes time to swap them out. The rotors will also feature a 2-piece vented design, allowing for proper cooling, and the slotted details are going to keep the face of the pad clean to maximize contact. The kit will also feature this brake booster here, which is essential for a larger kit like this, allowing proper support of the bigger components and the more sophisticated calipers, increasing that brake pedal responsiveness and stopping force up to 35% according to APB. Now, all the components here on the table are going to have a very solid construction. The calipers will be made of a forged material and will feature double sealing, important for off-road protection and leak prevention. The rotors will be 14 inches in size, which is a bump up from factory, and have a similar vented design to the factory ones for proper brake ventilation, and they'll also have a geomet coating on top to resist rust from forming over time. The pads will also be made of a ceramic compound. These are going to be for higher performance applications like towing and a lot of gear, as well as just harder overall braking. They're also going to be low on dust and low on noise, which is a bonus there out of a performance pad. Now, the biggest part of the kit, as you can see here, is the brake booster. This is going to be made with factory specs for direct bolt-in construction and will be able to support those larger calipers on the front. Now, the kit will also include some steel mounting brackets designed for heavier loads and everything else you need in the kit for installation, so you won't have to question when it comes time to install this. Now, this kit is going to come in at about $3,100, which is right around an average price for a front big brake kit. Now, what is not common though with this kit, making it stand apart from others on the page, is the booster that's included. Now, a lot of the time it's a great idea or even required to upgrade your booster with a big brake kit, so having this included in the package is going to eliminate that extra step and allow you to have a compatible system with no questions asked. Now, brake kits can vary, but this is going to have a lot of great features like the included booster, the off-the-shelf pads, and 2-piece rotors for easy and accessible maintenance, as well as the huge improvement in braking performance, making it a great option for your JL. Now, install here is going to be a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. This is a more advanced brake job, so depending on the tools and the setup as well as the experience that you have, it should take about 4 hours or so to get the job done. So that is going to wrap it up for my review of the APB 4-piston front big brake kit with the 14-inch slotted rotors, brake booster, and red calipers, fitting all 2018 and newer JL Wranglers, excluding the Rubicon 392. And you can find this right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.